Hi everyone, welcome to my very first recipe video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious blueberry and chia seed jam. I love blueberries because they're full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, and I eat them almost daily. And the recipe that I'm just about to show you, it's probably one of the easiest recipes I have ever come across. And you'll only really need 3 ingredients to make this jam. You'll need some frozen blueberries, chia seeds and optional stevia. So let's get started. Okay, so what I've got here is 2 cups of frozen blueberries. So I'll just put them into my pan, which is already nice and warm. So I just transfer those on here. And you want to cook them on a low to medium heat. You can add a little bit of water just to soften them down a bit. And what you need to do is just to defrost them basically on the pan. So after about 5 minutes, once your blueberries have defrosted, you can start smashing them with your fork. So once your blueberries are nicely defrosted and soft and smashed, you can add your chia seeds, and I add about 2 tablespoons to my jam, but you can add more or less depending on how thick you want your jam to be. And this is probably the most time consuming part of making the jam, because you want to make sure that you are stirring it until it reaches the desired consistency. So you just keep on stirring, and you can also add a little bit of stevia. I just add a tiny small amount, and yeah, that's it. You just need to, from now on, you just need to stir and wait for it to thicken up. Okay, so this is more or less what your jam will look like once it's ready. What I'm going to do now is I'll just switch the fire off, and I will let it cool, and then I'll transfer it into glass jar and pop it in the fridge. It should stay nice and fresh for about 5 days if kept in the fridge. And yeah, there you have it, a super simple recipe. Let me know if you made it yourself and enjoy. Bye.